Hello guys, welcome back to my channel or to my channel if you're new. In that case, you should probably know that I'm a huge fan of coffee. As you can tell, I have been trying to make a latte for the past few months, but I was unsuccessful. This is a milk pitcher. This is also a milk pitcher. But this one has a V-shaped front, so it actually makes a huge difference when you pour the milk. Almost forgot to mention that this is a milk frother. You need it to make the foam. So hope you guys like this video. It actually took a while to make. Like, subscribe and share, and thank you.